Hey guys, it's your favorite car fanatic back at it again with another mind-blowing ride. You know what they say, go big or go home, and Mansory definitely went big with their latest creation, the P950. This beast takes the already impressive Mercedes-AMG S 63E performance to a whole new level with a whopping 950 horsepower and 154 lb-ft of torque. That's like having a rocket strapped to your back while cruising down the highway. But wait, there's more. Mansory didn't just stop at adding more power, they also gave this ride a complete makeover. From the sleek carbon fiber body kit to the custom wheels, this car is dripping in swag. And if you thought that was enough, think again. The interior is decked out in luxurious leather and carbon fiber accents. It's like sitting in a high-end hotel room on wheels. But let's get back to the real star of the show, that insane amount of horsepower. With that kind of power, you could probably tow a semi-truck with this thing. And if you're feeling extra daring, you could even challenge a fighter jet to a race. Not recommended. All in all, Mansory has truly outdone themselves with the P950. If you're looking for a ride that will turn heads and break necks, figuratively speaking, then this is the car for you. Just make sure you have some extra cash lying around, because this bad boy doesn't come cheap. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you on the flip side.